Want to save $2,000? It might sound too good to be true, but stick with me. Hi, I'm Jess Irvine, CommBank's personal finance expert, and you name a money-saving experiment and I have tried it. But today, I'm here to count down the top 4 data-proven saving strategies that you can start implementing today to save big. Starting from smallest to biggest, in 4th place, we have auditing your subscriptions. We all know we should do it, but now is the time to sit down and review all your subscription services. Ask yourself, do I still use it? Do I need it? Remember, with most services, you can stop the auto-renew by cancelling immediately after subscribing. You still get to watch for the month, and then you can always sign up again when your subscription runs out. And don't forget to check out free on-demand services. Dropping just one $10 per month subscription could save you a tidy $120 a year. In 3rd place is switching your energy provider. Our data shows that over the course of a year, about 10% of CommBank card payers who spent at least $300 in a quarter on utilities switched providers over the course of a year. When a customer switched, they saved an average of about 10 to 15%. So it's well worth finding some time today to jump on the federal government's Energy Made Easy comparison site, or if you live in Victoria, the Victorian government's Victorian Energy Compare. For someone paying $400 per quarter for energy, switching to a cheaper plan could result in an average saving of around $200 a year. In 2nd place is dial a discount on your phone and internet by shopping your telco bills. We can see that our customers who used a card to pay for their telecommunication services were able to save 20% on average from switching, which is not bad at all. So dial yourself up a potential saving by jumping on one of the many comparison websites, which can help you research and compare phone and internet features and pricing. On a bill of $70 a month, switching your service could save you $14 per month or $168 over a year. And now it's time for the biggest tip. Drum roll, please. Grocery shop less frequently. Food is the 2nd biggest expense after housing for most families, so it makes sense that there are some big potential savings to be had here for many people by getting more strategic with their shopping. So if you've ever wondered which is better, one big weekly trip to the grocery store or several smaller trips throughout the week, well, the data suggests a clear winner. Shopping one less time per week could save you an average of 20% off your total grocery bill for the year. Why? Because shopping less frequently probably forces you to be more strategic with your shopping. So make yourself a meal plan. Shop your pantry before you top up again. Compare shelf prices per unit and buy in bulk when things are on special. If you currently spent $150 a week on groceries, the data suggests shopping once less per week could save you around $30 a week or $1,560 over a year. All up, that's a total potential saving of roughly $2,000 and perhaps much more for some households. So remember, audit subscriptions, shop your energy and telco bills, and try to reduce your number of grocery trips each week. It all adds up. To continue your financial fitness journey, search CommBank Financial Fitness.